Ćao svima, hi, welcome, new video. This time some Deebot vacuum cleaner. Let me show you the model DM82. What's the problem with this one? When I turn it on, I will show you. You see? It always goes on right and stops. So let's open this and see what it can be. Okay, I think I found what is the problem. I removed this part first. Here is. And then disassemble all this, remove the battery. Here is the battery connector. It's really easy to remove, and then I try to pull out this motor. Okay, now what's happening? Got stuck and I record with. I can't believe. No, what's the problem? Okay, here it goes. Here is some spring, goes here, but I want to show you this. You see? These wires doesn't look good. Yeah, so I need to maybe replace or probably just solder that. Let's remove the another one and see what is situation here. There is 3 screws, it's not big deal. Okay, this is the second wheel, second motor, and as you can see, these wires looks pretty fine. So let's try to remove this and make some solder and put it all back. Okay, here is the electronics. ARM processor. It's the wheel. Now you can see the problematic wheel. Yeah. This upper parts goes down. Just be careful with this sensor and this connection and this connector. Okay, so now I solve this and yeah, see you later. Okay, this is how this looks now. Bad focus, sorry. So this is just temporary to check the functionality of the system. Okay, I need to replace the whole connector. It's easy. You see, it's a 5-pin connector, standard dimensions. So if this works, later I will buy a new one and replace this. Okay, so let's assemble this and test the robot. Okay, I want to show you. This is called bad design. You see? Whenever the robot is moving up and down, okay, almost never if you keep him on the floor, but these wires got under tension, you see? Yeah, and this is the reason. Click, click, blam, blam, poof. Okay, let's try the robot. Turn on. Auto. And it goes straight. Now, up, 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 up. The little guy is working. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please click like or subscribe to support me for my work, and see you some next time. Bye bye.